Hello friends, my name is Kanishk. I'm an ex-banker and I have experience of 20 plus years in financial market. और आज मैं एक ऐसे स्टॉक के बारे में आपसे बात करूंगा in which I have invested personally and I see a very good growth in the near future. मैं किसी भी स्टॉक के बारे में अगर ग्रोथ देखता हूं तो केवल और केवल कंपनी फंडामेंटल्स के बेसिस पर होती है, उसके प्रीवियस रिजल्ट्स और उसके फ्यूचर प्रोस्पेक्ट्स के बेसिस पर होती है। स्टॉक का ग्राफ, कैंडलस्टिक पैटर्न, रेजिस्टेंस जैसे पैरामीटर्स मैं देखकर कभी भी कोई स्टॉक चूज नहीं करता हूं। Also, I try and invest in the stock which has a potential of growing multi-folds from its current stock price. So I'll always invest in a stock only if I'm satisfied with the overall fundamentals of the company. पर आप एक चीज को प्लीज ध्यान में रखिएगा कि this is not a recommendation. I'm only sharing my investment strategy with you. So, friends, the stock I'm talking about is a public sector undertaking which is engaged in defense sector. So the company I'm talking about is a defense PSU. ये एक मिनी रत्ना है which was established in the year 1970. Company is into manufacturing of missiles, torpedoes, air defense systems and allied defense equipment. अगर मैं इसके कस्टमर्स की बात करता हूँ, सप्लायर्स की बात करता हूँ, it is strategic supplier to Indian Army, Indian Navy and Indian Air Force. अब हम बात करते हैं कंपनी के ऑर्डर बुक की। Well, right now company has an order book of almost 50,000 crores, which ensures the revenue visibility for the next 4 to 5 years. और जो इसके recent large orders आए हैं, they include Astra missiles, Akash defense systems. I think everybody knows about Akash defense system after Operation Sindoor. और एक ऐसा सिस्टम है जिसकी डिमांड धीरे धीरे करके बढ़ रही है, रीजन बीइंग it has proved its credibility during this current operation. So the company is manufacturer of Akash system, torpedoes and NG missiles. Not only this it supplies to the Indian Army, Navy and Air Force, it is exporting all these things to the friendly nations also. So friends, the company I'm talking about is Bharat Dynamics Limited. Its current price is around 1,436. This is the closing price on 29th August. Company has a market cap of almost 52,000 crores. स्टॉक का जो हाई रहा है वो अभी तक रहा है 2097 एंड लो इज 890. वेल कंपनीज debt 3 years back was 10.1 cr. Current debt is 2.12 cr. If you compare it with assets, its debt to equity ratio is practically zero. Company has a high stock PE of almost 94 against industry PE of 65, but it is completely justified by its order book visibility. अब हम बात करते हैं कंपनी के क्वार्टरली रिजल्ट्स के बारे में। जून 2025 में कंपनी की सेल्स रही है ऑलमोस्ट 250 सीआर, 248 सीआर टू बी प्रिसाइज। और अगर हम इसको लास्ट क्वार्टर के साथ कंपेयर करते हैं, देयर इज अ ह्यूज फॉल इन द ओवरऑल रेवेन्यू, बट दैट इज कंप्लीटली जस्टिफाइड, especially in case of defense PSUs, because generally defense PSUs में Q4 benefits from higher execution, which is March, and Q1 is always low, because Q4 में जितने भी end of year targets होते हैं वो अचीव करने होते हैं. That is why Q4 is always benefited from end of year rush, wherein Q1 reflects the start of new contract delivery cycle, which is always sluggish. अगर आप इसको कंपेयर भी करेंगे, जून 2025 को कंपेयर करते हैं जून 2024 से, you will see an increase in the sales from 191 CR to 248 CR. So it is completely understood. And in fact, जब जून 2025 का रिजल्ट आया था, उसके बाद कंपनी स्टॉक जंप्स jumped by around 5 to 7% post-result, which shows that it was taken into account. Well, despite the drop in quarterly results, year-on-year gains have always remained strong. Financial year 2025 का revenue went up by almost 20% on yearly basis to 5,396 CR. Net profit went up by almost 18% on yearly basis. Similarly, as I said earlier, quarter one revenue went up by 30% compared to quarter one financial year 2025. Company is debt free. Return on equity is almost 22%. अब हम बात करते हैं कंपनी के शेयर होल्डिंग पैटर्न के बारे में. कंपनी के promoters, which is Government of India, का stake is around 75%, which has been stable for a very substantial time now. FIS का stake increase हुआ है in quarter two of 2025 from 3.25% to 3.77%. Insurance and बाकी institutions, they have also increased their stake. Mutual fund has seen a slight dip, but if you see the number of schemes, most schemes have bought this particular stock. Earlier, 26 mutual funds used to participate, used to have this stock. Now it has gone up to 29. रिटेल इन्वेस्टर्स की अगर मैं बात करता हूँ, उनका स्टेक रिड्यूस हुआ है, which is an indication that institutional confidence is increasing. कुछ ऐसे फैक्टर्स जिनको देखकर मुझे लगता है कि ये स्टॉक काफी अच्छा परफॉर्म करेगा. इसमें कैपेबिलिटी है to increase multi-folds in the future. Number one, as everybody knows, that defense budget is rising now, especially after Operation Sindoor, and it should increase at a very good pace in the coming future. Not only this, Bharat Dynamics has started exporting also to India's friendly nations, and it is targeting around 5 billion USD export in the next 5 years. Being a PSU, it has a very strong research and development and technology tie-ups. It has few set of customers which are guaranteed. For example, Indian Army, Indian Navy, and Indian Air Force, they are its permanent customers. So it has a guaranteed order inflow. Institutions में इसका interest बढ़ रहा है, and I mean more and more institutions they're putting their money in this particular stock. तो दोस्तों, मेरा जो परचेज प्राइस है स्टॉक का वो है 1460 रुपये. I've bought it initially recently and मैं अभी इसको होल्ड करूंगा because I'm seeing a multi-fold increase in the price of the stock. मेरा आप सबसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया है, काइंडली लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब दिस वीडियो. This would give me confidence and incentive to make more such videos. बहुत ही जल्दी मैं अपना एक व्हाट्सएप चैनल भी शुरू करने वाला हूँ जिसमें I would add people and I would share my investment strategy with the subscribers. So thank you all very much.